Hi guys, alright, so now I've got unboxing of two very unique lighters. Just quickly pop this on. Thought I'd add to my collection. Of course, the brand I always go for, S.T.DUPONT. Just open this up. Voila. Literally want to get all the range they have. This is sort of chrome white. Beautiful piece. You know, then this one you can see the gauge here. You know how much gas fluid you've got in there. I think this would be ideal for travel actually, because it's pretty obvious, you know. So if you're on the plane, whatever, you know, they cannot say you don't know. So yeah, so that's the first one. I'll keep that there. Obviously you get all the other bits and bobs in there. Oh, sorry, I have to put that in there first. Put it like so. But yeah, now this is the one I'm really excited to open. I need to be careful because I don't want anyone seeing the serial number. Voila, look at this bad boy. You ready? Boom. This is the new style lighters they do. Just quickly peel this off. Look at this bad boy. Just look at, and now listen. Oh, my hand blocked it. I'm not sure if you can hear that. Beautiful. Obviously no gas, but yes, so this is going to be one of the premium second ones I'm going to have in my collection. And the first one's in the car. I'm not in my car right now, so it's yeah, I have to show you guys what it looks like together. But yeah, taking this off, I'm going to refill it, and yeah, let's see. Exciting times.